As a lot of people just want to be hearing good news, right? In as much as a lot of YouTubers just want to be hearing YouTubers said, oh, you can make money on YouTube, get 4,000 watch hour, get subscribers, get monetized on YouTube, and start cashing out. There is a bitter truth that YouTubers don't want to accept. And the truth remains that making money on YouTube is not an easy mode. Like it is not easy. When I mean it is not easy, it is 100% not easy for you to make money on YouTube. But now the joy is, can you make money on YouTube? Yes, you can. Can you get monetized on YouTube in 30 days? Yes. Can small channels get monetized on YouTube in 30 days? Yes. Are small content creators getting monetized on YouTube and then cashing out immediately that same month? Yes. I have a lot of people from my community that got monetized in 30 days on YouTube. And aside them getting monetized, they were able to cash out their first $100. And of which I said it on my own part that when I got monetized on YouTube, it took me 6 months, right? Apart from the fact that it took me 6 months to get monetized, it took me another extra 6 months to get my first $100. And I will keep repeating it. The first money I made on YouTube and I withdrew from YouTube was $116. You understand? Now, for the $116 that I finally made on YouTube, mind you, YouTube took their own part as well before they sent me the one they were able to send to me. You get what I'm trying to say? So, what am I trying to say? You can get monetized on YouTube in 30 days or in less than 30 days. Small YouTubers are doing it, small channels are doing it. But if you check the people that are doing it and are winning it and are making sure that they are getting monetized, they are putting a lot of things in place. You cannot just keep your channel dormant. You cannot just keep your channel without going front, without coming back, and expect that you are going to be making that money on YouTube. It is not possible. See, just like the business you are doing, that if you don't take care of that business, at the end of the day, that business is going to suffer. That is how YouTube is basically. And if you want to strive hard on YouTube and get monetized in less than 30 days or even in 30 days, then you must have to put these things in place. Consistency. All the videos that we are doing here, telling you how to get views, how YouTube can recommend your videos, put them in place. Look for titles that can rank your videos in the SEO. It is very, very important. Now, here is the bitter truth on YouTube. I know that a lot of people don't want to attest to this fact, but there is a bitter truth on YouTube. And the bitter truth on YouTube is before you can be able to cash out on YouTube, you need to meet up a threshold of $100. And this $100 is every month that you need to meet up to this threshold. So basically, if you did not meet up to $100 threshold on YouTube as someone that is on YouTube, you are not going to cash out. You understand? Unlike X, if you have any amount, once you're monetized on X, if you have any amount, they pay weekly. They will definitely pay you. This one, you need to meet up the threshold of $100 every month. And now, for those ones that will be asking, okay, what if I didn't meet up to the threshold of $100? What happens to the money? Now, what happens to the money is YouTube will continue to keep those money in your Google AdSense accounts. So it took me 6 months. My first month, I remember, I think it was just $10 or less than $10. I'm not even sure I got up to $10 or so. You understand? But YouTube will keep calculating it till any month where that money reach $100 or above. Then they can now pay you the next month. It simply means if YouTube is paying YouTubers for this January, YouTubers are receiving salary for December. So it's the one for December that they are paying us in January. The one for January, YouTube will pay us in February. The one for February, YouTube will pay us in what? March. So this is how YouTube basically work. And that is where a lot of YouTubers get confused and they get frustrated. Oh, I am monetized. I go monetize on time, but right now I can't even get the money into my account. You are the reason why you are not getting the money into your account. So now that you are monetized, the best thing you can do for yourself as someone that is monetized now is to sit down comfortably and dissect your channel. What is working for me? Which one is not working? Which should I minus and which should I add? Don't be in those situations that you keep telling yourself that, oh, I want to die on one niche. Even if it's not working, let me just be on this niche. I believe that one day this niche will be favorable. You will be there for years and years and years, even when you are monetized. To cash out just $100 on YouTube, you will not be able to cash out $100 on YouTube. And the moment you are not able to cash out just $100 on YouTube, you are going to give up on your channel. you are going to give up on your channel. You understand? Now, this is not me telling you you should do what you don't know how to do best. Now, you have different or diverse talents that you have. What you're going to do is, if the strategy is not working for you, you look for another strategy that can work for you. Calm down, sit down, look at your analysis. I did a video yesterday on everything you will know relating your YouTube studio, how you can understand it, how you can get your trending videos, how you can get your views. This, that's on that place. And if you take your time to watch those videos, you will be able to understand a lot of things that I've been able to say there. Now, if you calm down, study analytics and see, okay, which one is working for me? Which one is not working for me? Which should I minus? Which should I add? You will be able to remove some and add some so that at the end of the day, you can be able to get balance. And now, if you see that something is working for you and then you post maybe like one or two videos, is not picking up, it doesn't mean you should just leave the channel like that. It doesn't mean you should not work on the channel. It doesn't mean you should stop uploading. I have seen people on YouTube that keep uploading. Sometimes they upload even up to 6, 7 videos in a day. And at the end of the month, there is no way they're not going to meet up with their threshold. You understand? So, and another thing that I always hear people saying is that, oh, if I don't get a viral video, I don't think I can get the $100 threshold. Is a big lie. If you don't get the threshold, you can still get the $100 threshold if you don't get a viral video. Because one thing you need to know is it's not all about getting the viral video, it's how much the viral video is able to bring to you. Some people have views of 1 million views, but I can tell you that if they tell you how much they cash out from that video, some persons will be like, whoa, I want this in Jesus' name. Some persons will be like, if not so views they are no need that. You understand? That's to tell you that you can create a video. See, in fact, I'm going to be uploading a video this thing that you guys are going to be seeing how much YouTube pay me in less than videos that have less than 100, videos that have less than 1,000 views. You understand? By the time you see how much YouTube pay me from those videos, and imagine you say, just in a month, you're able to push out content, piling up content. Every day you put out 3, 4, 5 videos, 6 videos, depending on how your strengths carry you. Every week you meet up to 3 upload. Every week you meet up to 4 upload on YouTube. Who told you you're not going to meet up to the threshold? So when I see YouTubers say, oh, I'm not cashing out on YouTube because I don't have my $100 threshold because my videos are not going viral. That's not the reason. The reason is that you're not serious with yourself. Because the moment you find out that it is not working for you, you feel so reluctant. The moment you find out that, oh, this person is progressing and your own channel is not getting views, you feel so reluctant. The moment you find out that, oh, this person's thumbnail is catchy and you're trying for your own thumbnail to be catchy and it's not happening, you feel so reluctant, you feel so dull, you feel so shattered. And it's not supposed to be like that. YouTube is not a competition. Do your own, collect your money. Make I do my own, collect my money. Learn the spirit of consistency. There is nothing, you guys know me when it comes to consistency. I tell you how it is. That is why it is very hard for you to see me post videos of 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Because I know that even if I post video of 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, I get my money and I go to where I want to go to. So the moment I keep occupying, even if it's just $2 per video or $1 per video, before you know, I don't meet my threshold. Let me tell you guys, if you're just starting up YouTube, just know that you see this YouTube street, the payment on YouTube is far 100% better than the payments on other platforms. If I tell you how much my friend that is monetized on Facebook is earning, you will shed tears for her. But that doesn't mean Facebook is not paying. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just trying to say, if you compare and contrast views, even big content creators on Facebook, they always confirm me that YouTube payments is a goal. YouTube with just 500 views, sometimes you're getting like over $6, $4, $3, $2, depending on the kind of videos that you're bringing. You have 1,000 views. Some 1,000 view video is paying you $7. Some 1,000 view video is paying you $10. Some 1,000 view video is paying you 40 something dollars. To people that are not in Nigeria, people that are CPM and RPM is very high. That is to tell you that there's a lot of things for you to gain on YouTube. So if you lack spirit of consistency, you have to put in the spirit of consistency. If you are monetized and you're not getting the coins to your account, you are the reason. Because if I am monetized, what I will do is I will keep firing video. You see this method of think and film, that is what I will do. I will keep uploading video. I will keep uploading video. There is no how people are not going to see me. There is no how YouTube is not going to upload my videos. There's no how YouTube is not going to push out my videos. views. The earlier you realize this, the better for you. YouTube is a platform for everybody, and I'll be here to always tell you this, that YouTube is a platform for me and you. You can make money here, I can make money here. You can get monetized here even in 1 week. You can get monetized even in 3 days. It's not a matter of luck, it's getting the code and cracking the code, and that is all. You understand what I'm trying to say? So when you see people come here to tell you that it is all rosy, it is all easy, it is all this, my darlings, it is not. I've been through hell here. I've been through water. I've been through fire. I've been through the calmness. I've been through the sweetness of YouTube. It comes with different phase, but in every phase, I embrace it with joy and happiness. And I tell myself, you see, on this YouTube street, I'm gonna make it. You don't have a choice. I'm gonna make money here. You don't have a choice. I'm gonna use the money to do good things that people are doing. I'm gonna use the money to live the life that I've ever wished for myself. I'm gonna be the biggest YouTuber here. I tell myself that every day. That is why no matter the views I have on YouTube, I don't think about my views. I don't look at my views. I don't look at my competitors. I don't look at my subscribers. Only what I focus on is I focus on the goal. And the goal is, how do I get money to my account? So even if I get $3, even if I get $6, even if I get $100, even if I get $1,000 in a month, I am grateful. That is my goal. And that should also be your goal if you want to monetize this 2025. If you want to be cashing out this 2025. Stop saying my videos is just getting 25 views. That 25 view can still get you something. That 30 view, that 50 view that you're seeing, it can still pick up tomorrow. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there so that you can look for ways and start putting your heads and then start getting monetized. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you don't know and you're still finding it difficult, I do coaching class on YouTube. And for my coaching class, with the mail that you'll be seeing in my description box, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. And I'll also pin it in the comment section, right? You are going to contact me and tell me which of the class that you want to join. I do for 1 day, I do for 1 week, I do for 2 weeks, I do for 30 days. This is where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening. Me and you, not be you another person, me and you. I see what is happening in that channel. I see why the growth is not there. We join heads together so that you can be able to go far. If you're not monetized, we join heads together to see how we can make sure that your channel is monetized. And if you have not built channel at all, if you have not even started at all, I still help you grow channel, build channel, open channel from scratch with just checking money. All you need to do is send me a mail. Let's get the business started. Tell me, Sonia, even if it's not for anything, Sonia, please visit my channel. See what I am doing wrong. See what I am doing right. I need to start making money from this YouTube street. And if you are abroad, you are not, you should not lose this opportunity, because this should be the best opportunity for you to start making enough coins in your pocket. Anyways, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yes, with no further ado, I do add like always say in my videos. I'm going to be bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Get monetized in 30 days and thank me later.